So after around 10.5 hours on the plane, a few hours before that to getting through to the airport, we finally made it to Las Vegas. And I thought we'd just give you a quick room tour.
Good morning, day one here in Las Vegas. CES hasn't started yet, it's starting tomorrow. We've got a free day today as it's Sunday. CES starts tomorrow, but we have got Samsung's unveiling event this evening that we are going to be going along to. We're going to be having a free day, so we're going to be having a bit of an explore. I was incredibly jet lagged this morning. I got in at about 11:30. Last night I went straight to bed because I was so tired after travelling, having a few beers in the hotel. And I was up at 3 AM USA time because my body said just wake up, and then I couldn't get back to sleep, so I've been awake ever since. But Nick's in the shower at the moment, he's getting ready. I'm going to be jumping in afterwards, and then we're going to be heading out to go and explore Las Vegas, and let's see what Las Vegas has to offer. So see you in a bit.
So just finished up at the Las Vegas sign. Absolute tourist trap, but it had to be done. Now we're going to be heading back down the strip, are we?
Yes. You want pancakes and syrup and...
I want pancakes and lots of syrup, proper traditional American breakfast. So let's go get some breakfast now. So we're just about to do a very short walkthrough of the New York hotel that we've just seen. It looks absolutely wicked, so check this out.
Fun fact, don't get too close. The ceiling and sound changes to rain effect during the day. So it's sunny skies at the moment, but it will change, the lights will go down, it will change to fake rain. There you go, you're welcome. Broken man. Stay there. Stay with me. Let's have a look. So today, 23,000 steps so far. 3:45 in the afternoon. That's going to be at least 30k plus, and my feet will fall off. So we have to get Uber later or fly.
Which I am actually absolutely looking forward to, is jumping in an Uber, because this walk is missions. And we haven't been to the convention centre yet, and that's further than we went today, so I'm looking forward to that tomorrow morning. I'll walk in there.
Got to get into a gown.
The world's most caloric burger with
Going in for surgery.
982 calories.
Getting an enlargement.
Your nurse is going to give you 3 hard spankings with this paddle.
you have to take these burgers.
Am I
to
going
go.
naked under it?
I was born
Like a proper
You're
hospital
not a
gown.
boy or girl.
Okay, so we've just got to Heart Attack Cafe. We've been given these menus, which we have to decide how many burgers we actually want on the menu itself. I'm probably going to have maybe 2 or 3. Triple bypass burger, add 15 bacon slices. That's a lot of bacon, but the biggest one is an octopus bypass burger. So 8 burgers plus 40 bacon slices. That is a lot. So apparently, if we don't eat them all, then we get spanked. Like a girl over there is actually getting spanked right now. So.
This is weird. I don't know. I don't want the little lady to spank me. Video of the big.
Okay, so just seen over on the wall, there's a Guinness World Record certificate. Don't know how authentic it is, but it says the quadruple bypass burger packs 9,982 calories, and we went for the triple burgers. So, not sure how many calories are in ours, but it's got to be at least 6,000, 7,000 calories. Wish us luck. 2 hands.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on, pick it up. So can you take that out? It's going to fall out. Pick it up. Go on, pick it up. Put it in your mouth. Go on, pick it up. Pick it up. Put it in your mouth.
This is so heavy.
Pick it up. Put it in your mouth.
Right, ready?
That's what. No.
Got down. How are you getting on?
Nearly halfway.
Will you dance for us?
Okay, so we've just got back to the room that we're staying in, but we're actually staying. What's the name of the room again, Nick? This place?
No Idea Hotel.
The No Idea Hotel. And one thing I did want to point out is, what is this? I haven't seen one of these in about 15 years, maybe even longer. Look at the size of this back.
It's actually called a television.
It's called an old school television, a CRT television with a fat back that we've got to enjoy for this last night in Vegas. But as you can see, the room isn't that bad, to be honest with you. I was expecting a lot worse, but it isn't really that bad. And just to show you, we have a lovely view. We have a lovely view of the car park and a huge sign saying Grunge Fest 3. So thanks Nick.
No
Thanks,
problem,
Nick.
bro. Look at this TV, man. Can we get the hockey on this or what?
Okay, I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see the TV.
London has fallen.
Who's on the inside? There's got to be somebody.
Brilliant.
Shortly after.
This is a better TV than in Luxor, though.
Open earphone.
No, it's not. Oh, for content.
Yeah, because I can see what's happening. Although the hockey, where's the hockey?
Okay, let me take you on a tour of this room. As you can see, we have a very nice kitchen.
Hockey!
Nothing in the fridge. But if we go down this small corridor area, we get to our bathroom, which I have to find the light for. There we go. And oh, we have a bath in this one, Nick. Fancy a bath? Got a bath in this one, which we didn't get in the Luxor. We only got a shower in that last one, so that's nice.
Steph, come look at all the goodies I got.
And Nick got a lot of goodies as well from CES today. So I'm a little bit jealous of his headphones.
Headphones, earphones, headphone amp. Exciting.
In the transition.